Welcome to the user guide of Quick Mobil app by NKGSB Cooperative Bank. Want to manage and pay bills? Here is how you can do it. Let's start with managing billers. Open Quick Mobil app. Click on Bill Pay. Then click on Manage Billers. Click on the plus sign and select the category. Click on Done. You will receive an OTP, enter it and click Proceed. Now, select the bill you want to pay. Click on Pay Bill. Select your account. The amount will be auto-filled and then click on Proceed. Click on Yes to proceed the payment. You will receive an OTP, enter it and click Proceed. Congratulations! Your bill payment is successful. You can add multiple billers. You can even enable auto pay and delete bills by clicking on them. This is how you can manage and pay bills. To ease up your banking activities, download Quick Mobil app, available on Android as well as iOS.